So you're pricing a job and you know that it's going to cost you about $10,000 to do. Now the reason you've figured that out is you've added up all of your subcontractors, labor and materials and figured out it's going to cost you about 10,000 bucks. Now you want to add a margin of 30%. So you've gone ahead and figured out what's 30% of 10,000, which has given you $3,000 in profit, bringing your sale price to 13,000. And at that point you think, cool, I've added 30%, that's my margin. But you're wrong. And the reason is because if we look at this gross profit pricing calculator we have here, you'll see that the actual sale price you would have had to have is $14,285.71 if your cost of goods was $10,000. Now the reason for this discrepancy is because when you first figured it out, if you figured out your cost of goods was $10,000, you added 30% of $10,000, which was $3,000. That's a markup. But if we're looking at it in terms of margin, what we'd be looking at is what is this $3,000 as a percentage of the sale price, $13,000, which in this case would be about 23%, meaning that 7% of what you thought you were making has gone missing. Now on the other hand, when we're pricing this way using the calculator, we're going to figure out what was 30% of the sale cost. And in this case, if we're looking at $14,285.71, $4,285.71 is 30% of that sale cost, which leaves you with that profit over and above the $10,000 it cost you. And that's the difference between markup and margin.